No batteries.
She get you anything?
No.
That's cute.
Scrating.
Excellent.
What about that fly ass gear you got on there?
I was getting warm in my big jacket. Mama got me this for Christmas.
Oh, looking fly.
It's Under Armour, motherfucker.
I saw what it was.
Now I'm about to be fly. Here.
I don't have to worry about grass growing so much right here. Threw shit all over my transmitter.
Damn. Trash can in there.
Mud.
Don't put your transmitter in stupid.
Transmutter. It's a transmutter.
Now you gonna be able to actually get good footage?
Footage. Oh, I about got some good footage.
Footage.
Flipped my Outcast already. Surprise. So I broke a shock last time I had the Outcast out, and now I have a front shock on the rear, which makes it a little shorter, but not like a
short thing.
I do hang out with you. You charge it.
Did you charge the GoPro?
I did.
Come on. Coming.
Uh-oh. Get that pool spot. Pool spot.
Oh, pool spot.
Go ahead. Watch the trees. Like that. Landed it.
Landed it.
Trim the trees up.
Come on. We have a fire later tonight.
That's that.
Woo! Dude, it landed perfect on
I don't.
route.
I don't think I filmed it very good because I got scared.
But next time, we just switch off real quick.
Yeah.
Since I'm not running.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've been waiting for it the whole time. Let me get out the way.
I'm gonna come in hot right here where we is.
Oh, you gonna do the hot pop?
Yep.
Get behind Chance.
Mind your beer.
Mind your beer.
Well, made it.
Right through the fence. Oh, you want me to go try to get? Oh, you got it.
Yeah, I just
love breaking ankles.
It's ankles. It's hard on ankles. What is that?
My ankle is hurt.
Huh.
Go ahead, get you another one.
Get you another one. Pop.
That popped up pretty good.
It did pop up. Pop down. Like a pop-up. Look at that. Well,
if you want to break your EXB,
trees.
run into a tree.
Get your trees ready.
You still go?
She still go.
Is it backflip?
No,
Is it upright?
it is.
Be there in a minute.
Yeah, I think you need to go more on that side and try to go towards the middle.
I did what you said.
Yeah, it didn't. Didn't.
It didn't. I think that's called did not.
Double negative makes a positive. Everybody knows that.
Trey. Positive.
It is funny. You got the GoPro out and you were jumping it perfect earlier and it landed all in the middle of between the two trees.
I'm up there and not over here where I was.
Maybe that's it.
My beer now.
See what happens. Better think about taking my beer. Better get the taste out of your mouth. Oh yeah, he busted his ass right there earlier. Really wish I had the GoPro out then, but no.
Good content. Yeah.
Damn. Nice.
Is it? Oh! Yeah, them roots will get you. Chassis ain't broke.
Chassis is plastic. Get that bunny hop going.
Hop your bunny for you? I can do that. Well, don't hit it whenever you're standing behind it.
You fly gears.
Oh my
It's
God.
on your face.
It ain't too fly no more. I know.
Oh.
You get the GoPro out and everything goes up.
Uh-oh. Coming in hot. This thing's got crazy brake set up on it. Need a little bit. Stop. Back up. Turn left. Back up. Something's broke.
Yeah,
I think a dog bone popped out.
probably.
Ben had dog bones.
Him about the dog bone. Doggy bone.
Chassis.
Yes, indeed.
You got kicked in the cup.
No, my damn Kraton did. Broke it.
It broke one of the outside cups.
Look at it.
Look at it. My cup is broken. Well, snappy. You got some of them? No. Back in a little bit.
Is it on?
Now,
Pepsi's gone. Thing jumps real good.
it does sometimes. When you jump it, right?
Dang, like that.
Just like that.
Dang! It cartwheels right through that fence. Come on. Need to trim this tree. Nice. You got a shock broken or something? Oh man, that's the short one.
Do a long jump.
I'm long right now. Get it. Come on. Now something broke.
Nope.
Come on. Nice. Look at that thing.
Ticks, pops.
Ticks and pops. Pop your tick for you? Come on. Come on.
Little slapstick.
I thought you was gonna do what you did earlier, just try to keep on going. Nice. You got it.
Little playground here.
Them new Z batteries are running good. Oh, really? Come on.
Get your pool for you.
Get your pool for you. Full speed ahead and ram them. Nice save.
Nice.
Nice save again. I don't think you can even see it, but it was good.
It's braked itself to a stop.
All right.
Beep boop. Ah, go.
We're gonna do a long jump first, go and break it.
Get you a long jump in. Better have your long johns on today. I can tell you that, it's cold.
Come on.
Look at that thing. Climbing. Going. Skating. Crunchy.
Oh, you in the way?
You in the way? You in the way. Oh! Backflip.
Come on.
Hold for helper M's. That's a V. M. V. About a whole 40 degrees outside right now.
It's better than 30 like it was yesterday.
Last night was brutal.
It sounded like it landed perfect.
I wouldn't doubt it. Damn, is up. Is up.
You do. Let's hit this jump. The one you love.
Man, mud. Which jump you talk?
That one.
Oh yeah. Sure you'll do good at that. Go.
Landed. Missed the whole damn pile though.
Front flip. Landed. I thought you were trying to get me there for a minute. As you came around a tree. Stop.
Put your Pepsi down. Drive better.
Maybe. Nice.
God, didn't go through it that time. Nice and breaky. Nice. You got to slow them down. That's cool. You could have got two. Nice. Tree said nope.
Ejected.
Ejected.
Get that shit out of here.
Footage. Landed. You hit it enough times, you're gonna have it smoothed out there to where you can just jump it.
That's what I was thinking on.
What I was thinking on. Mike. God damn! If it ain't broken then.
Yeah, I was kind of froze up because I looked and I thought it was gonna hit me.
No, don't worry about me. I don't punch RC cars in there. Mike. Oh! Chassis gotta be gone, dude. Dude. You got concrete stuck on your plastic. Holy hell. It didn't break it. Knocked the hell out of it. Tree.
Tree and in. Woo, I thought I was gonna get that tree.
Ah. Damn! got some traction on that one.
2 backflips out of it.
I think you should wheel into the brick again. That was pretty cool. Nice. Them shocks with no oil in them run pretty good. Oh, God.
Shocks with no oil.
Yeah. God dang, Vince. Dang, it went under it. It sounded like it broke with it. Ugh. Crunchy. Well, nothing broke. Damn! 6 front flips.
That was front flip.
I know. Nice. Damn! Damn! The thing fell like the X-Bags.
Yeah, I know. Tumbling.
Nice. Mike. Ugh! You like that damn rock.
Why you put it there?
Awesome. Ah! That was cool. I got you a Pepsi. Looks like you already got it.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm just talking to myself.
Give it a little bit of shock therapy.
Shock therapy. Shocking.
Shocking.
All right, try to jump, hit the tree branch, and grind down the tree branch.
Got it.
It's a good try.
On the approach. Encroachment, I think is what they call it.
Crotch. Come on. God dang.
Got it.
This ain't my daddy's watch. Could have got 2. Yeah. Oh! Tree kind of got in the way. What?
Is that what you were talking about, grinding?
Yeah. You did pretty good. It's funny. Most people look at this pile of dirt and be like, oh, that's just a stupid pile of dirt. We look at it like, let's get some views on this one. Come on! Out of here. Damn kids with their RC cars. Get it! Front flip master!
Got it.
Come on. The old pop stick. Pop a stick. Dude, got a hell front flip heel there. I was in the best spot for that. She ain't broke. Oh.
It ain't broke.
Nah, I said she ain't broke.
Oh, I thought you said it broke.
Nah, I said she ain't broke.
Well, when I saw it go hit that tree, I just let it stay like
That's
that.
right. Nice, Willie. I've been practicing. I've just been practicing. Ugh. How's the wheelie bar still on there?
It's only half of one. You gotta get over here on this side and catch it on that back side when it's coming.
Who's filming? Mudda. Nice. Damn. I wasn't sure if he was gonna get that last one. That's the best one yet. Hit it there again.
I know.
Bro! Is it on? It's the wrong eye. Move your transmitter.
Action. Move your transmitter.
Look.
Oh, shit. That fell down. DX5 and a Pepsi. Come on.
Come on, that's a damn movie, I think.
Come on. Nice. Click clack. Treyway. Got it.
Tree backflip.
Nice.
Right into it.
Right in the tree.
Like the exercise program. Go up, down.
Treyway. You can't get your damn fly gear.
Where you going?
Nowhere.
Get hit?
Try not to get hit.
You getting...
Go ahead. I got this. Whoop! Nice.
Come on, tree! 2 trees. Got something. Front diff. Okay. Difficult situation. Sounds good.
Getting better.
Rear diff. Sounds like a real race car. Yep.